Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 26th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, gold did make a pretty decent little push down. It tried to break structure, but it still has not broken structure. And if it does go up and take out this structure and hold above this structure, then I will definitely start looking for longs. I think this move down is a wave A. And we have to be a little bit cautious. I think this is an ABC of 4 right here. And we're going to go down and at least make a double bottom for a wave 5 to complete this very clear 5 waves down before we go up and make a wave B. Now, the reason why I said we have to be careful, because sometimes you get higher high wave 5s. If this right here really is a Trunton wave 5, then that possibly could be the low, and this move up could be the A, and this possibly could start its move up for a wave ABC of wave B. Either way, I think the next big move is going to be a crescent to this move down for the wave B, and eventually back down for a wave C. The question is whether the wave A is complete or not. A break and hold above this structure right here will confirm to me that the wave A is complete, and we're now in a B of this ABC crescent, which is all probably part of an ABC of wave B on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.